if you are working in a carbon removal startup company, especially on the credit side of the business, you are having calls with potential customers. And you know that until they understand what carbon removal actually is, they are not going to be able to make good decisions. So what that means is more work for you, more work for your team, there's more ghosting, there's more questions, there's more price haggling, there's more wasted time. We built AirMiners Buyers Academy to solve for that. It's for corporate sustainability professionals who want to buy carbon removal for neutralizing their scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions. It's free. It's to educate and empower sustainability professionals to make informed decisions about the carbon removal industry. The Academy is designed for those who want to understand the carbon removal market better as they consider purchasing credits. So we cover the whole enchilada. We cover how does carbon removal work? What are the pros and cons of different technologies? What are the ways to achieve internal buy-in for a purchase, right? Like, how do you go and talk to the chief financial officer about carbon removal credits? How do you build a portfolio of options for carbon removal? We cover all that stuff. So if you're listening to this as a startup founder or somebody that's working at a startup or a marketplace, if you send people to Buyers Academy, what you're going to get back are smarter, faster buyers ready to buy carbon from you. You're going to build goodwill with the people that are already in your pipeline because you're telling them, look, this is something that's useful and they can go check it out. And you signal that you're playing the long game by saying, I want you to be educated about this stuff. You're not just trying to close a deal. So if you're serious about carbon removal, then sharing the Buyers Academy is one of the most high leverage things that you can do right now. It's outsourcing the education so you can spend your energy on buyers that actually get it. So we've got our next Buyers Academy coming up on April 3rd. If you're working at a startup, you can share it to sustainability leaders that run podcasts and newsletters and are thought leaders. And it's your opportunity to reach out to them and say, hey, I've got something that's actually valuable for your audience. You can share with them and build credibility. And these are the people making podcasts and newsletters that you might later want to have cover your startup. And so here's the link for that. And if you can, change the tracking code on the link, because I want to build out and understand where to find corporate sustainability leaders and find out what works. So to do that, replace the word your name in the link